The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for Birdseye, Wickliffe, Eckerty, English, and Marengo in Indiana until 9 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Birdseye, moving east-northeast at 50 miles per hour.
What's that? Yeah, we're gonna go. I just looked kind of suspicious there. There's a nice, yeah, no tornado there, but yeah, it's a nice lowering there.
It's suddenly gone awfully still. Remember all that inflow? Nothing now.
Yeah, we're gonna be getting the RFD here soon. Just getting close. It's got a nice bowl shape there. We were getting a funnel there, but it's something else. Oh, wait, here we go. Yep. I think it. Yep, I think there's a tornado there. Yep. Yep, that's a tornado. It's actually pretty small. Definitely on the ground. It's getting bigger.
Oh, that light is like that. That's good.
It's got a bunch of debris there. I'm rolling
The
video.
National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado warning for Marengo, Fredericksburg, Palmyra, and New Pekin in Indiana until
just to the left of the
9:15
telephone
p.m. At 8:42 p.m., a large and destructive tornado was located 4 miles from Marengo, moving east-northeast at 50 miles per hour.
Yep. To get out of the way of
Hazard,
the pole.
damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed.
It's turning into
Considerable
a wedge.
damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible.
Okay, just got back on air. This is a, so if you haven't been here lately, we have a PDS tornado warning for Marengo. So if you're in Marengo, please get to a safe place, do whatever to protect your life. We're talking interior room, basement, or whatever, okay? If we check our velocity, you can see that this is a developing tornado. It looks like it just got on the ground. So this is a little weaker. It's probably a little weak, but still, this could be a threat to your life, and you really never know. If you look at our debris tracker, you can see that there is our debris right there.
All you can hear is the mosquitoes.
It looks like it's going straight into the town, maybe with 1 mile off, maybe. But just in case, just for precautions, please,
Well,
if you're in
it's a
Marengo,
large stove.
just
I mean,
please
depending on how
take
you want
shelter
to
and do whatever to
classify
protect your
them.
life, okay?
I mean, sometimes they're all
But
wedges.
for the most part,
But
Marengo,
large,
just make sure
large
that
stove
you're doing
pipe.
whatever.
Jeremy.
Alright?
Yeah, go ahead.
So Fredericksburg is
Got a
definitely
beautiful clear
the
slot
next
on
town
that
on
left
this
side
list.
there.
It looks like it is going
go
to
down
hit this
further, Bob.
in probably the next probably 7 to 8 minutes. So if you're in Fredericksburg, this tornado might be a lot stronger than it is right now. It might be a lot weaker. You never know. So just be prepared and don't be scared. Alright? So we just got a
This is cool, eh?
okay, so we just got a new photo of the Marengo tornado, and
Did everybody see it all right?
oh my, okay, so it looks like if you look over here, this is where the tornado is about right now. So you have Marengo, you have basically 4 times. Get to a basement, do whatever, get your last second preparations, because we really don't have anything. But this is probably EF3, EF4, EF5. This is a violent tornado coming straight into Marengo. If you are in Marengo, please get to a safe shelter. Do whatever to protect your life. Now, Fredericksburg, this is coming into about 6 minutes. So, if you're in Fredericksburg, please just try to get to a safe shelter. Just do whatever. Make sure that you're safe from the tornado. And if we look at oh my gosh, Marengo is basically this is basically your final warning. Yep, it's the tornado's already in town. Oh my god. So a violent tornado just hit Marengo, and it looks like it is heading straight for Fredericksburg. Let's check our debris real quick. Okay, so this is where our
You guys
debris
should
are.
roll
As you
some
can see,
video on
this
your
is
cameras, too.
this is very large tornado.
On your camera.
Fredericksburg, you're definitely sick. You have 5, maybe 4 minutes before the tornado comes. So it's
tornado emergency for Fredericksburg. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a